Most PMs are learning prompt engineering, but the best AI PMs are learning context engineering because AI agents don't run on prompts, they run on context. There are six types of context AI agent work with. Understanding this is your toolkit as a P. First instruction. This is your system prompt. The rule of the game. What an AI agent supposed to do, how it should behave, and what it should never do. Most teams write it once and never revisit. That's the mistake. Your system prompt is living product specification. Second memory. What the agent remember across session or steps. Short-term memory, which is what in the context window right now. Second, long-term memory, which information is stored and retrieved outside the context window. Here's the PM decision. What does an agent need to remember? For how long? And at what cost? Third, retrieved information RAM. This is when you retrieve external information like document, database, and past conversation and inject into the context. The wrong chunks are retrieved. Model is hallucinated with the confidence. Here's the PM decision. What get indexed? How the relevance determined? What's the fallback? Fourth tool. A function or API a agent can call like search a web, query a database, and send a mail. Every tool you give to an agent, it's its expansion of its context. It can bring now in real-time information, but more tool, more surface area for failure. Fifth, conversation history. The back and forth between user and agent. Sounds simple, but at scale, it gets messy and expensive. Long conversation means long context window, which means high latency and cost. And here's the PM decision. How much history do we pass? And do we summarize all the turns? Structure output format construct. What you tell a model how to respond. JSON, Markdown, special length, special field. Ask normally, you will get a paragraph. Ask bullet point, you will get a structured thinking. Ask JSON. It will think like system. Same question, different output format, different reasoning. Here's the PM decision. What does the down system is needed? And what happens if format is wrong? Here's the takeaway for PM. Every one of these six steps are the PM decision, not a developer decision.